H. First equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So let us write in solution given equations. So given 2x plus y is equals to 6, we will send this 6 to that side, and 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. So what is a1? a1 is 2, b1 1, the coefficient of y, c1 6, a2 4, b2 is equals to minus 2, and c2 is equals to 4. So let us write what is a1 by a2. So 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2. b1 by b2, so 1 by minus 2. So we know that 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 will not be equal. So therefore a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So with this condition represents that therefore the given equations are consistent. And the lines intersect at a point and gives only one solution. So let us write the box for the first equation. 2x plus y is equals to 6. So in two tables 6 comes, and in one table also 6 comes. So we can directly take 0. X has 0. So we will get 2 zeros are 0. So we will get y is equals to 6. So 0 comma 6. If we are taking y as 0, we get 2x is equals to 6. 2 goes down. So x is equals to 6 by 2 is 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x is equals to 3. So 3 comma 0. Next, here also in 4 table 4 comes, 2 table 4 comes. So we can directly take 0 in place of x. 4 zeros are 0. So minus 2y is equals to 4. 2 goes down. Y is equals to 4 by minus 2 ones are 2 twos are. So y is equals to minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. And if we are taking y as 0, so we get 4x is equals to 4. 4 goes down. X is equals to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. X is equals to 1. So 1 comma 0. Let us draw the graph. As we can see, the values are very closer to each other. So that's why we can take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on graph. Let us plot this point 0 comma 6. So 0, 6. And 3 comma 0. So on x axis 3, on y 0. Let us join these 2 points. So this is the 2x plus y is equals to 6. Next, we will write the second equation. 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. And 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0. It is here. So let us join these two. So this is 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. So the point where they are meeting is on x 2, on y 2. So 2 comma 2 is the solution. Finally, we will write the scale. So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit.